In this video, we show how to deploy a new agent. We download a pre-configured agent package. The INI file has all the necessary information and configuration settings, and important parameters like system name come pre-populated. Although we have limited access to Client 0, we still have control over agent procedures. We need to access two endpoints. The first is the web interface for end-user access. You could also use the REST API. The second is the JCP URL for the agent to connect and authenticate. We log into Client 0. We add an agent in the admin page of AWI. We select it and use the download feature to obtain the install package. It comes with an INI file configured for SaaS. The agent name matches, the system name is set for the SaaS instance, and the JCP connection is set to the proper URL. The authentication package is in the bin directory and referenced in the INI. This is a new agent and will need to apply the usual ownership and file type settings. The entire directory should belong to a non-root user, while the conventional agent and job messenger files should belong to root and be executable. We start the agent. In AWI, we re-authenticate the agent with the server. We move the agent to Client 100 and run a test job. You might be tempted to bypass Client 0 and connect the agent directly in Client 100. This is not possible. The agent authentication option is not available in non-zero clients. If you use any other method, where the authentication package is not included in the agent or not configured in the INI, you would need to perform this operation manually. We'll show this when we convert an existing agent. We log into Client 0. SaaS instances have a default password set. We change it. If you attempt to reuse the original, you're instructed to enter a different one. We head to the admin perspective and connect a new agent manually. We select the new agent and use the download agent feature. This is an Oracle Linux 8 system, and so we select the x64 architecture. We're able to download and enable the service manager to control the agent. This requires the CAPKI libraries enabled on this system and the Unix libraries from the external resources directory to be copied to the bin directory of the service manager. Version 24.2 and above includes the option of installing the JRE. We head to the system. We've shown the host name. Although we are logged in as root for this demo, the agent can and should be installed with a regular user. Two files need to belong to root, the agent executable, and the messenger program. We will come back to this. We are in the documents folder where the agent was copied. We create a directory with any name in /opt and move the agent package there. Let's take a look at the bin directory. You'll recognize the contents of the agent directory. With version 24 and above, the agent executable is a Java archive. We'll start it in a few minutes. The authentication package is encapsulated as part of the agent package download. It's also referenced in the INI file. This means that no agent configuration is required with this method. The advantage of the download feature is the INI file comes pre-configured. The name is set to the agent name, and the system matches ucsrv.ini. Let's take a look at the JCP connection parameter. The JCP connection parameter is pre-configured as well. It's set to the endpoint exposed by the load balancer. The authentication package included in the agent is referenced in the INI file as well. This means that no agent configuration is required. We can close the INI without saving it. We set ownership of the Automic directory. We create a group and a user for the ownership. We then set the agent and the messenger files as executables and root as their owner. We start the agent. The agent is started but not yet authenticated. We need to re-authenticate with the server in AWI. The agent authentication type is set to local in SaaS. This is done in the advanced security settings, which are not accessible by customers. We select the agent and use the authentication feature. The agent is now authenticated. We move this agent to client 100. We give the agent the 3 authorizations. This effectively moves it to the client. Behind the scenes, we recreate a connection to client 100. The agent is there. There will be situations where the same agent needs to exist concurrently in both on-premises and SaaS. This applies to generic agents executing processes for more than one application, for example. In such situations, we'll need to connect the agent in SaaS while keeping the current one on-premises and then disabling processes appropriately so they don't execute twice. Ready to level up your skills for free? Broadcom Software Academy is your go-to hub for top-quality free training. Visit the Academy and start learning your way or explore something new. Our free content is just a click away.